I'm Raphael, and I'll be sharing with you about Fundamental Humanities, also known as FH. It's the humanities subject for lower IP students, an integrated, multidisciplinary approach to the teaching and learning of history, geography, and social studies. Anyways, in Fundamental Humanities, students get to see how these different branches of humanities really interact with one another through different case studies. Like, for example, Pompeii. I mean, sure, you have the history behind it and the culture and societal structure of the Romans who used to live there, but you also have the geological activity related to Mount Vesuvius' eruption that happened on that one fateful day. Or perhaps the Industrial Revolution in the UK, the factors that allowed it to begin in the first place, the ideas that drove its expansion, and its impact on the British and the rest of the world. In addition to students gaining a deeper and broader understanding of the world around them, they also get to develop skills which will be important in the future, including research, analytical, oral presentation, and expository writing skills. Maybe they'll even get to learn how to plan and model a miniature city. Basically, students get to learn a variety of skills and knowledge. Wait, that's the name of a different subject. Anyway, overall, Fundamental Humanities is a fun subject with many things for students to learn and allows them to grow into engaged students of the humanities who are mindful, creative, confident, and centered.